Okay, guys. Today, as you can see, I am not in the mood because today is raining, but it's really bad. Like first the lights went off for like 3 seconds, and now the Wi-Fi just went out. Look, it's literally raining outside. See right here, it is raining. It is raining right here. ¿Verdad que está lloviendo mucho, verdad, mamá? Like it is sprinkling. Like right here, it is so wet. Right here, the floor is wet. Bro, there's water on the chair. And the dirt is brown. And the tires are green. Did you guys just hear that? There's a thunderstorm. Oh no, I gotta get the top wheel before it's inside.
Hey, sí, es que estaban a un lado del portón, los muchachos pues no miraban a nadie.
Yeah, this is really bad. Really, really bad. Even some of the shade is wet. Part of the shade is being wet by the insane rain. Sheesh. My mom just got some flowers. I don't know where she got them from. But it just started raining right now. So that means in the morning it was normal. It was a normal day and it was dry. But just now it started raining for some reason. Like it's right. It's still raining. You can hear that thunderstorm. Yeah. Es porque yo estoy haciendo un video. Enseñándoles. Yeah, I was just talking about Grandpa too, so are you gonna continue? Look how bad it is. I don't know if I should even get out. But I'm just showing you how bad it is. And it's still raining. It's like invisible rain. You can still kind of see it. This is how bad the rain is. It just stopped. Yeah, this is not good. You can keep hearing it over and over and over and over and over again, which is just kind of good, but my dear also missed out. Yes, you can see there's a literal puddle right here. I'm not gonna step on it. Oh god, it's so rainy. God. The dry clothes is being wet by the rain. Bro, you can hear how bad that is. Okay. So this is my Leo Papa's motorcycle right here. It's being drenched. There's the cart. Yeah, a little motorcycle. Even the tires are being cleaned. Even my bike. And this is not looking too good for today. Let's just, oh God. I regret it. I regret touching this. That's wet. Oh God, this is not looking too good. Even the blanket is wet. I cannot sit on that. But I can't sit on coolers. It's wet, but yo, I just saw lightning. That was thunder. I swear, I saw thunder. I swear. I think it's broke. The house my mom used to go to. Like, I swear, guys. I literally saw thunder. God, it's raining now. Even worse now. Or a little, slightly better. This is not looking good. Like, actually, guys, I swear on my life, I saw thunder right over there at that school. That is near this house. Like, actually, I swear, there's a school right over there. Actually, I swear, guys. I swear. Okay? God, it is raining. I gotta run. I never thought it happened. We never even brought an umbrella. This has happened to us for a very long time. So we just have to use this as an umbrella. Okay.
El del túnel del Minecraft, el verde, ahí está una ola.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go. Oh, mom's water bottle. Here, I'm gonna turn on the light so it doesn't seem too creepy. Cerveza. If it was beer, it would have said ver. Cerveza. It says cerveza. So that's good. Bro, the windows are wet. You can see the windows are wet. And bro, you can hear the Mirage and the LG Gold AC being filled with water. So that means when we turn them on, yeah, the room's gonna get drenched. Yeah, this is my grandma's coat that she doesn't even use. So I'm using it as an umbrella. Here it is, man. Aquí está. Okay. Yo, wait. I just saw light. Yeah. Get on here again. Seriously. Okay. Yo, you can hear how bad this is. Okay. You can hear rain on top. Oh God. I'm avoiding the puddles. There's a big puddle. The shovels. Even the Corolla. being cleaned by the rain. See? This is not looking good for the summer. For my summer break. Yeah, I'm returning back to school in August, which is good. Because I do not want to be in school too long. Oh God. And my arm hurts. Gosh. Kazaya and Angel? Pinto? If you're Kazaya Tootsie Pine and Angel Pinto, if you're watching this, if you guys don't have rain, you guys are lucky. You don't have to be in an umbrella jacket above your head. Bro, I just felt some rain go through. This is not good. This is not looking too good. The cart is full. Right now I was just making a video in the morning. And I was making plenty of videos today. And then it just started raining. It is raining. You can see how bad it is. Not looking good. Not looking good. Oh God, my arms hurt. I have to do this arm just that I can see. I'm just gonna run it again. Okay. This is good. I don't know if you guys saw that, but oh my God! Oh my God! Oh gosh! No, this is not good. I gotta take shelter. I don't have an umbrella. I'm just taking shelter in case. Oh God. Yeah, I'm in the living room. And here's a picture. See that? The family's Christian. Things happen. I think I'd rather get outside instead. This is not good, bro. First it was the rain, and then it was storming. Gosh, I am so creeped out. This might be the worst day of my life. ¿Qué?
¿Cómo le hago yo si tú tienes celular? ¿Está conmigo?
Nomás agarra tu teléfono. Yeah, I was talking to my. This is not looking good today, unfortunately. It is not looking good today. Oh, it's even wet in there. I'm just gonna put the coat on here. Oh, my deal wasn't right. There wasn't. Matitos missed out. Yeah, my dear loves rain. She's obsessed with rain. You can say that. Wait, let me get Felipa. Hi, Felipa. There she is. Isn't she adorable? Hi, Felipa. Felipa. She's right under there. That's how scared she is. Today, since we're in Sinaloa, we were originally planning to go to Mocorito. And bro, it is 12:33. Bro, barely any time has passed since I woke up. It's like a little school day. It's like a school day. Oh God. I really do want to text Garzaya. And my dad is coming here in like 6 days since he's coming in a week. So like next Friday. Today is Saturday actually. Yeah. God. I don't even know what to say to this. Oh yeah? Oh, good Felipa. Who's a cute little dog? Oh, he's so cute. Yeah, this is my dog, Felipa. Yes, he's cute. Although he's all white. And that's him, Dumbo. I think my mom is going. Mamá, ¿dónde vas? Ok. ¿Puedo agarrar algunos de esos?
Allá en el refri hay colado.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna get a beverage. I'm gonna get a drink. It's like flavored mineral water. Ooh, that's what flavor this is. Okay, grape. Strawberry. Okay. Blue raspberry? Raspberry, blueberries. Red fruits. Okay. Strawberry with mango and lime. I think I'm gonna get this one. Monse, ¿viste? Está lloviendo. Ajá. ¿Dónde?
Enséñale el blog, ¿qué tal?
Estoy haciendo un video.
Ah, qué rollo aquí. ¿Cómo te llamas tú en el blog?
Mi canal,
Sí.
Ramón Papis.
Todos los saludos ahí a los fans de Ramón Papi.
Hola.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Muy bien también.
Ese es novio de la Merced. Vamos para. Yep, I'm prepared. So this channel is creating it. So that means Americans and Mexicans can watch this. Yeah. Hey, why does that taste good? Yeah, this is only Mexico. Or if you guys have it in America, You guys are also lucky to taste one. Yep, that tastes good. Yeah, that was my cousin onces that I put on the video. What Spanish show is she watching? Yeah, that's her. The voice. This is just crazy. I should just probably get in the car. I also need the coat. Just to get in the car. Okay. Drink is safe, my phone is safe, and my head is safe. I got like a tiny window, so you can still see, while still having some shade. Right now it's chispiteando. Se está chispiteando right now. Okay, let's get in the car. I never thought I was gonna experience anything like this. You can hear rain above me. Okay. And it's literally dripping. I am currently in the car. It's kind of a little bit stains. At least we got shelter. Full shelter. It's a car. You guys would have asked me, why can't you just get in the house? I don't want to. I don't even know what to say. I don't even know what to say, guys. Yeah, I'm doing an infinite loop, as you can see. Right there. I'm doing a loop. I was just doing a loop for fun. Oh, now I'm sweating. So open the door. Let's let some air in. So, even though this isn't part of the video, as it says in the title, we're just gonna do a car tour. So this is the driver's seat. You got shift, you got this open. Okay. It somehow moves a little bit. We have what? Yeah, let's do this quick car tour. So this is an accessory for the car. So you can connect your phone to it, and if it doesn't have an aux port, a headphone jack. And then right here, we have the back seat, and we have a sunroof. Right here. Oh, now it's brighter. So yeah, it is raining really bad, but I gotta stop recording. Peace. Sorry I couldn't do that intro. So they take two. Peace.